Okay, first of all, let me summarize the selection part. So how it happens? Selection is where you have multiple conditions, and you have to we have to select the path based on the condition. It can be one or more conditions, and you can select the path based on the condition. Actually, there are three ways of applying conditions. Conditions are applied using if else. Let me show you the basic selection thing which happens in this. And here you can see it can be done using if, elif, else. This is the full way of implementing this conditions operations. This is this shows the skeleton of the code. Right? Code like a skeleton, code like a but these elif and else parts are optional. Elif and else or else if, these are optional. That means you can continue. That means you can continue only with if part. So let's see that now. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a new file. I'm going to take a new file in IDLE. So let's do this with me. Okay, let's have a very small discussion, very small thing, just to, this is briefing, right? I'm just briefing. It'll only take 5 minutes to brief this new file. And then here I'm telling, okay, marks equal input. Int means I need to enter a whole number, enter marks. Okay, based on the marks that I'm going to insert here, if these marks greater than or equal to 50, then you can say print you have passed the exam. You have passed the exam. So this is what you're going to print. And note the space in front of this, and not these two things. These two things are very important. Let me color this. මේ දෙක ගොඩාක්ම වැදගත්. මේ colon එකකින් කියන්නේ if එකයට අයිති code එක මම දැන් ලියන්නයි යන්නේ. I'm going to write the code which is related to if. That this colon means I'm going to write subcode. I'm going to write a subcode inside that. Then there is a space. This space is also very useful. The space says this is belongs to F. And whatever written after the space, let me color it using some other color, yellow maybe. Whatever written after the gap belongs to if. Right? If marks greater than 50, you can print you have passed exam. Okay, let's print something else. Print thank you. Then I'm going to print goodbye. Okay, so let me run this code now. And can you tell me, if I run the code and if I insert 49 as marks, what I will get? මම 49 දැම්මොත් marks විදියට මට මොනවද හම්බ වෙන්නේ? Can you tell me what will be the result? Yes? What? Cannot hear you properly. Maybe some issue in your microphone. Yeah, I can hear you slightly. පොඩ්ඩක් ඇහෙනවා.
So nothing will happen.
Enter 49. Okay,
So,
nothing will happen. Okay, according to his inspection, nothing will happen. Chitmini.
It was a goodbye.
It's a goodbye. Okay, Chitmini.
It will only display goodbye.
It will only display goodbye. Okay. Yenuki.
Only display the goodbye.
Only display goodbye. Netumi. Mona wait, Netumi. Marks 50ට වැඩි නම් you have passed කියලා දෙනවා. Thank you කියලා දෙනවා. Then goodbye කියලා දෙනවා. මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ මේකෙන්?
Only goodbye.
Only goodbye. Okay, that's correct. Okay, you have understood that. Only saying goodbye. Okay, Mama, I run. But if I run this again, you have to carefully understand this. Enter marks. This time I'm going to enter 51. Now what will happen? Okay, then කියන්න බලන්න Netumi, now what will happen? Yes, Enoki.
It will say you have passed the exam. Thank you and goodbye.
It will say you have passed the exam. Thank you and goodbye. Okay. Chitpini.
It will execute all the lines.
All the lines. Oh, you have passed the exam. Thank you. Goodbye. Netumi, මොකද හිතන්නේ? More. Netumi. More. Yeah. More. Yes.
It will say you have passed the exam. Thank you. Goodbye.
You have passed the exam. Thank
It will
you.
print
All the lines. Okay. Correct. It will print all the lines. Why? You have passed the exam. If එකේ මේකත් කොහොමද execute වෙනවා? මේකත් execute වෙනවා. මේක if එකට අයිති නැහැ. හැබැයි ඒකත් execute වෙනවා. මොකද ඒක කොහොමද? if උනත් else උනත් දෙකටම execute වෙන හින්දා. So likewise, you need to understand which belongs to if, which is not belongs to if. Without a with the print, you have passed the exam. Thank you belongs to if. මේ මුල් දෙකම. This like line number 3, 4 belongs to if. Line number 3, 4 දෙකම අයිති වෙන්නේ if එකට. Line number 5 කියන එක common. if එකටත් පුළුවන් else එකටත් පුළුවන්. Okay, now I'm going to like this is the first thing. Okay, great that you have understood that, and let's have else also. Else, let's say you have failed the exam. Try again. Right, now let's see what will happen in the execution. This is the second way, like if with else. If without else, we'll execute only the if part. If with else, we'll execute if part or else part. දෙකින් එක. If we else we දෙකම නෙවෙයි. එක්ක if නැත්නම් else. Okay, I will give 41 as what will happen? I will give 41 as marks. What will happen?
It will print you have failed the exam. Try again. Goodbye.
Yes, you have failed the exam. Try again. Goodbye. The else part execute. Okay, otherwise it will print you have passed the exam. Thank you. Goodbye. Great. So now let's integrate multiple if-else statements together. Multiple if-else statements together. This part we have discussed in the NIC example as well. NIC එකෙත් අපි මේක කතා කරා. Multiple if-else statements together. Let's see. Marks is greater than or equal to 75. Then you can say you got A. You got A. I'm going to remove the thank you here. Elif. Marks is greater than or equal to 60. B. Elif. Marks is greater than or equal to 50. C. Elif. 40. S. Else. F. And you can say try again. Also, bye. Now let's try to execute the same. I'm going to enter marks 90. What will be the output? Anuwa ගැහුවොත්
You got
yes, what will be the output?
Goodbye.
You got
A and then goodbye.
yeah, you got A goodbye. Yes, well, you have understood very well. Okay, you got A goodbye. Okay, let's execute again. I'm entering 60. Yes. What will be the output?
You got B. Goodbye.
60. Yeah, 60. You got B. Goodbye. Right. You got B. Goodbye. That is for 60. You got B. Goodbye. Okay. Great. Himal. All right. Audio on karanam te නැත්නම් Hi, Himal. Audio on කරලා ඉන්න නැත්නම් ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right. Okay. Now you join in the middle. But that doesn't matter. Himal මට වගේ WhatsApp number එක පොඩක් එවලා තියන්න chat එකෙන්. Please send me your WhatsApp number in your chat. Chat box එකෙන් WhatsApp එක එවලා තියන්න. මොකද ඔයාලට මම instructions ටිකක් දෙන්න ඕන. ඒ හින්දා අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් WhatsApp number එක දාලා තියන්න chat එකේ. Okay, now two things. Hari. Then මෙතන අපි වැඩ දෙකක් වැඩ කීපයක් කරා. Elif, if else, elif. Okay, all we will execute. We have executed. Now today's lesson, අද අපේ lesson එක ඉගෙන ගන්න. In today's lesson we are going to learn about loops. Hari, loops. We are going to learn about repetition. Loops. නැත්නම් නැවත ක්‍රියාත්මක වෙන instructions. Today's lesson we are going to learn about loops, repetition, otherwise repeating instructions. Never ක්‍රියාත්මක වෙන instructions. Okay. Let me show this. First, repetition. Okay, you can write down this very quickly and draw the we'll try down this quickly and draw the flow chart. Write down this quickly, draw the flow chart as well as write the pseudocode. I will give the pseudocode as well. First of all, please write down this instructions or this node and also the pseudo flow chart, then pseudocode. So please do it now. Okay, so that you have already done and right, instructions in the program executed in repetitive way again and again. Never එකම instructions. ක්‍රියාත්මක වෙනවා නම් අපි කියන repetition කියලා. The instructions will be executed one after another in a repetitive manner. Example, print even numbers from 1 to 10. එක සිට 10 තෙක් even numbers. Even කියන්නේ ඉරට්ටේ. 1 to 10 even numbers. You can see, just read the flow chart. Let's go through the flow chart, understand what has happened here. Start C is 2. C can a variable like a C is 2. Okay, let's write C somewhere here. C is 2 initially. Let's move down. මේ arrows දිගේ යන්න ඕන. ඊට පස්සේ arrows කොහෙටද තියෙන්නේ? මෙහෙට තියෙනවා. දැන් තෝරා ගන්න ඕන. C less than 10 ද? C කියන්නේ 2යි. C 2යි. Is it less than 10? Yes, it is less than 10. So it will go to the yes side. I see 2යි 2 10ට වැඩිය අඩුයි. එහෙනම් yes side එකට යනවා. Display C. එහෙනම් 2 display වෙනවා. Then C equals C plus 2. Then C වලට තව දෙකක් එකතු කරන්න ඕන. Now C is 4, right? ඊට පස්සේ කොහෙටද යන්නේ? උඩට ගියාම මෙන්න මෙතන round about එකට යනවා. round. එතනින් ආයෙ පහතට එනවා. පහතට ආවම ආයෙ බලනවා C 10ට අඩුද? Is C less than 4? C is 4. 4 less than 10. Yes. Display C, that is 4. C is C plus 2. Now it is 6. 6 less than 10. Yes. Display C, that is 6. C equals C plus 2. Now it is 8. 8 less than 10. Yes. Display C, display that 8. C equals C plus 2. Now it is 10. 10 less than 10. No. But 10 is equal. 10 equal 10. Therefore, it will come down. Display 10. C equals C plus 2. Now it is, okay, sorry, 10. Now it is 12. 12 less than or equal to 10. No. You have to go and terminate that. Stop it. So what you will show here in this program, 2 to 10. These are even numbers. දෙකේ ඉඳන් 10 දක්වා ඉරට්ටේ සංඛ්‍යා ටික පෙන්නනවා. These are even numbers from 2 to 10. Or you can say 1 to 10 even numbers. But when you terminate the program එක terminate with the C වල value එක 12. හරි ඒක මතක තියාගන්න 12 හැබැයි display වෙන්නේ නැහැ. C display වෙනවා අන්තිමට 10. 10ට දෙකක් එකතු වුණා 12යි. 12 වැඩිද කියලා check කරා අඩුද කියලා check කරන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙනම් 12 print වෙන්නේ නැහැ. But when you terminate the value will be 12. Okay, hope you understood. Anything difficult please tell me. තේරුණාද? අමාරු දේවල් තියෙනවද? If anything difficult, tell me. Hari, මං හිතනවා නැහැ කියලා. You are not talking නේද? කතා කරන්නේ නැහනේ. In this class you need to talk with them. hari මේ class එකේ නම් ඔයාලා දිගට කරන් යනවා නම් කතා කරන්න මම පැයකට අඩුත් කරලානේ තියෙන්නේ දැන්. දැන් කතා කරන්න කොහොමවත් පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. Okay, next. Okay, this can be done in few ways. මේක කරන්න පුළුවන් විදි කීපයක් තියෙනවා. ඒක මෙතන explain කරලා තියෙනවා. So first method is begin C equal to while C less than 10, do and increase this. Let's translate the same to Python now. I'm going to take a new file. The make it adara api code එක ලියලා බලමු. I'm going to take a new file. I'm going to translate this pseudocode now. To translate this pseudocode now. Begin ලියන්න ඕන නැහැ. C equal to එක ලියන්න පුළුවන්. C equal to while උත් ලියන්න පුළුවන් while C less than or equal to 10 ලියන්නත් පුළුවන් while C less than equal to 10 colon mark අර do එක ලියන්නේ නැහැ වෙනකොට colon mark ඊළඟට කරන්න තියෙන දේ colon mark display කියන එක ලියන්නේ නැහැ වෙනකොට ලියන්නේ print මෙතන C නේ display C එක print C කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන් C equal C+2 ඒක ලියනවා C equal C+2 එතකොට අපි end while ලියන්නෙත් නැහැ end ලියන්නෙත් නැහැ. So this is how you translate the first program. Let's run it and see. Run කරලා බලමු. මම ලියන repetition 1 කියලා R1 save. R1 is already there. R1. Okay, run this. You can see it's printing from 2 to 10. දෙකේ නම් 10 වෙනකන් numbers print වෙනවා. Okay, what is C? C is 12. හරි C වල value එක ගත්තම C 12 වලින් තමයි ඉවර වෙන්නේ. Okay, that part is done. Next, for C equal 2 to 10, ඒක ඊළඟ ක්‍රමය. Second method එක. ඒක පුළුවන් මෙහෙම. Method 2 කියලා මම ලියන්න මේකට නැත්නම් පැටලෙනවනේ පුතේ. Print method 2 කලින් එකට method 1 දාමු නේද? Print method 1 method 2 for C in range 2 වලින් පටන්ගෙන 10 වෙනකන් යන්න කියන එක අපි දෙන්නේ 11 එකක් වැඩියෙන් දෙන්න ඕන 2 to 10 2 to 11 දෙන්න ඕන මොකද 10 වලට පස්සේ තියෙන 11 හින්දා 2 to 11 then you have to tell how to move කොහොමද මේක ඉස්සරහට යන්නේ දෙකෙන් දෙක 2 to 11 2 by 2 මේක ලියන විදිය පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් හරි for C in range 2 to 11 2 by 2 දෙකෙන් දෙක යන්න දෙකෙන් දෙක වැඩි වෙවි යන්න මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕන print C. This is our second method. That's easy, but you need to write everything in the brackets. පටන් ගන්න තැන ඉවර වෙන තැන යන්න ඕන විදිය ඔක්කොම දෙන්න ඕන. This is method 2. That is also a valid method of printing the same. Let's go to the method 3 now. In method 3, you have first tell, okay, method 3. You have to first tell, in this method 3, you have to first tell C equal to display tree. So you repeat. We don't have repeat in this, but in some other languages, the repeat part is there. They make a repeat. Some other language, but here no repeat. Therefore, I'm not using that. I can say while true. While true means always do this. What you print the C, print the C, then C equals C+2. Always do this, but check whether repeat until C greater than 10. Right? That means you have to do this when you have to do this if C if C less than මේ අනිත් පැත්තට දෙන්න පුළුවන් this like there are like different translation method. This is one thing. If C less than 10 less than or equal to 10, are you checking this? ඉස්සෙල්ලාම check කරන්න නැතුව අපි ලියමු. While true, this one print C is equal C plus 2. මෙතන අපි ආයෙ check කරමු. If C is greater than 10, you end this break. End this. This is our third method. Okay, method 1, method 2, method 3. You can try all three methods. තුනෙන් ඕන එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේකේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මේකේ බලනවා වතුරට පනින්න කලින් පීනන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න. You check it. C අඩුයිද 10ට වැඩි. එහෙමනම් තමයි print කරන්නේ. මෙතන වතුරට පැනලා බලනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ පැනලා වතුරට දැහැලා බලනවා පීනන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා. ඒ වගේ මේක. print කරනවා එකක් වැඩිත් කරනවා. දැන් මේක මේ condition එක බොරු වුණොත් එකපාරක් හරි රන් වෙනවා. හරි මං කියන්න මේ condition එක C එකට වඩා වැඩිද? C එකට වඩා වැඩි නම් නවතින්න. C එකට වඩා වැඩිනේ. හැබැයි නවතින්න කලින් මේක එකපාරක් හරි රන් වෙනවා. එහෙනම් දෙක print වෙනවාමයි. මේ එකපාරක් හරි රන් වෙනවා. The reason is that because you try this. ඉස්සලා try කරලා බලනවා. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි condition එක check කරන්නේ. මෙතන condition එක check කරලා try කරලා බලනවා. මෙතන condition එකක් දාන්නවා, පටන් ගන්න තැනක් දාන්නවා, ඉවර වෙන තැනක් දාන්නවා, ඔක්කොම දාන්නවා. වැඩේ කරනවා. Okay, try all these three methods quickly. ඉක්මන් try කරන්න මේ methods තුනම. Jeff, which class you are attending? Jeff. Okay. Which class you are attending? මොන class එකකටද පුතේ සහභාගී වෙන්නේ? Jeff. Is it coding class or STEAM class? Hello. Okay, you can join by 8 p.m. අටට join වෙන්න. I will remove you. 8 වෙද්දි join වෙන්න. පුතේ 8ට තියෙන Jeff. The time is 8. Okay, please write down this. Right, what you need to do with this? I just need you to do some homework using these loops. So try to, this is homework. Please write down homework very quickly. Homework. In homework, you need to print following patterns. Print the following patterns. So the pattern number 1 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Pattern number 2 is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Dot, dot, dot. Continues. Pattern number 3 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, blah, blah, blah. Pattern number 4, 1, 3, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, dot, dot, dot. Okay, try to print following patterns as a homework. Please take a screenshot, do this, send it to me before next week, the same time. Okay, with that, I will stop. Please take a screenshot. Screenshot එකක් ගහන්න next week එක වෙද්දි එවනම් ඇති. Try to do that. I'll end meeting with this. Let's see you all next week. Good night.